Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove threads from Instagram bio. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. So now to start, open your Instagram app and then tap on your profile. You can see that at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, from your profile page, you can see at the top right corner of your screen the threads icon. Press that icon and then you can see this. Are you sure you want to remove your threads profile shortcut? Just tap on remove to remove your threads profile. And that's it. And that is how you can remove threads profile on your Instagram bio. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching!